Have you ever wondered how an AI actually understands what you type? Spoiler alert, it doesn't know a single word of English. It only knows math.
Yeah, boy.
Today we are diving deep into something called embeddings. This is the secret engine behind AI tools like ChatGPT. I'm going to show you exactly how to code it in Python. What exactly is an embedding? Imagine a giant invisible 3D map. An embedding simply takes a word, like an apple, and gives it a coordinate on that map. Because of this, similar words get grouped together. Apple and banana will have coordinates right next to each other, while apple and car will be very far apart. But wait, if these words are just dots on a map, how does the AI actually know they are close to each other? That brings us up to measuring similarity. To find out if two words mean the same thing, the AI simply takes out a virtual ruler and measures the distance between the two dots. This is exactly how Netflix recommends movies to you, or Spotify creates your playlists. So how do we actually tell our computer to measure this distance? Python implementation, we are going to use a simple math trick called cosine similarity. Think of it like checking if two arrows are pointing in the exact same direction. First, we create a simple list in Python for apple and another for banana. Notice how the numbers for apple and banana are almost identical, but the numbers for car are wildly different. Now we just input a math tool to measure the gap. In just 5 lines of Python, you have built the core logic of a search engine. The only drawback is that if you had millions of words, this basic code would be too slow. In the real world, developers use something called vector database to do this math instantly, and that is exactly how AI works under the hood. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a comment below on what you want to see next, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.